Okay, so wait, am I zoomed in? Get back. Okay, so y'all are joining me mid journey for the kitchen renovation. I should have been vlogging it. I was taking a break from all social media, but I decided to pop in because I'm like, I'm gonna regret this one day that I didn't vlog the journey. So we just arrived. Oh God, there's a car wash. It's so loud. We just arrived at the cabinet store. I hope y'all can hear me. We just arrived at the cabinet store. We are here to place the order. These are the cabinets we're buying. And I'll show y'all around the store. I'm going in now.
Oh, that's right.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So this is for which color?
Gray.
Gray shaker gray.
For 2 vanities and 2 of them.
So you're gonna go with gray?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the only gray you guys have, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
If the problem is this, you couldn't work on Frankfurt.
Countertops. We for sure are getting quartz countertop. We had granite in the last house. I don't like granite countertops. Sorry, not sorry. Never getting them again. Look at her. Keep telling her to come with me. She keeps shrugging her shoulders. This brown is pretty, but I really like the gray. And I'm not big on the all-white kitchens. I think they're really beautiful, but I don't want an all-white kitchen. Midtown gray. I don't like the texture. You see the texture in it where you can still see the brown? I don't like that at all. Not a fan. And then they have their knobs. Probably won't get knobs from here because I'll probably get a better deal elsewhere. Well, I'm looking at, me and you are looking at countertops. We probably may get the countertops from here. I'm going to show you the 2 that I was looking at. I'm gonna show you in comparison to. Stop running. This is option A. I think that fits really well. So this is my like #1 runner right now, because this has a cool, the cabinetry has a really cool undertone, and I don't want to pick anything warm. So I looked at it without looking at the cabinets, and this one is really, actually it's not pulling as warm, but in person it kind of has a yellow undertone. I really like both. I like the veins in both, subtle and bold. I kind of like this one more as far as the veins, but it's kind of pulling a little yellow in person. On camera it doesn't look yellow, but in person it has a yellow undertone. Could be the lighting in here, but no matter which way I stand, I'm still seeing a little yellow. This one, I'm not getting yellow at all. So I want to see if I can find a cooler one with maybe thinner veins. Let's see. This one might be nice, but I don't think I like the cluster. I don't think I like none of the other ones toward at the bottom. This looks like it might be granite. It's so thick. Good Lord, this girl. Yeah, I like this one. I can't find anything else that I also like. Okay, we're leaving. Update. We ordered the cabinetry. The cabinet price is about $4,300. You'll see the cabinets we got. We had to get cabinets for the island cabinets, the uppers and the base cabinets as well. So of course, full kitchen cabinets. We're not getting the countertops I showed you because you have to order the entire slab. So basically the countertops will cost more than all of the cabinets combined. And one slab was like $4,000 and we would need 2. Not happening. So we're checking out soil for cabinets. Keep you posted on that. But cabinets I ordered, they will be delivered in a week. Week and a half. So that is the final update for this part of the kitchen vlog, and I don't know when I'll see you next. Until then. Which one you like? That one is thick. Thick. I don't know if I want veins that thick. That's what she said.
Which one did you say?
I'm looking. Actually, there's a lot to look at. So
You gotta relax, my brother. This is all quartz. It's so many options. I haven't found one that jumps out just yet. I'm not trying to take my time. That one's okay, but I kind of a little darker maybe. It's really light.
This one?
That one's okay. It looks like it got brown in it, or is it just me? She telling you stop.
Okay.
That's why you.
No, you told me stop because you want to get picked up.
Not a scammer. This one?
No, blow it.
This one. That look like it got brown in it too.
Okay.
I don't like that, sorry.
This one?
Sorry, not sorry. I don't like that at all, Ashton. I want something that's more like white. White and a little bit of gray. You like this one?
This one. This one. Because this have green.
Yeah, that's the one.
How about this one?
Stop.
I don't like that.
Because
You like that one? It's alright. That's too like symmetrical or something. Yeah. I don't look natural. Excuse me, Ash. You like this one?
It's still kind of white.
Yeah, it's still kind of too white. It don't have enough gray.
It's darker than that though.
It is. That one is really cool. I think that's why I really like it. Has a cool tone.
why would you pick it up?
I don't know, no sparkle. That's alright. Heavy. Don't tell me no, would you move? You better say excuse me.
Well, let's just.
I like this one too. That's pretty. You like this?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Yes, I.
Similar.
It's a wool similar.
Yeah. That seems more white. This is more like blue.
Yeah. I like both though. I do like
Hey,
this.
that's great.
Grab this one too. What do you think of this one? This one.
That looks thick.
Yeah, this one is super thick.
Well, this is just a sample, so the actual thickness is right here. So it's 1.25 inches.
Oh, okay.
Okay, gotcha.
Let me show you one that we got in, and it's very popular, very similar. You could come back to me.
Okay. These cabinets are beautiful. Like a navy, the gold finish. Ooh, I really like that. Is this expensive?
Not that expensive. I think the first one that you like, that one's probably cheaper than the first one that you picked.
That's so, I think that's it.
Yeah, I like that.
We gotta see if we could swing it. Let's go. See how much it is. Yeah.
So it's really actually similar to this one.
So that one out there, this one looks too blue now. I don't
Yeah.
think I want that.
Put it back.
Yeah, put that one back. That's a little too blue. Okay. So that one is less expensive than that one, right? Okay.
For sure.
Yeah, that one looks so blue. The lighting everywhere kind of makes everything look so different. Okay, so boom. You just watched, first of all, I planned on doing like a real cute sit down video, and I was gonna be cute, and there was gonna be a background, and it was gonna be like, oh, she's so cute. Not happening. Not happening. Too much going on for all that, okay? So take me as I am. What they say at church, come as you are. So you just watched us go to the cabinet store where we ordered our cabinets. They'll be here in like 2 or 3 days. Then we were about to order countertops from them, but baby, them countertops was too expensive. So we didn't place the order there. We ended up going to another cabinet store, and we checked out some of their stuff. They had one that I love that you saw, and so we're probably gonna order from them. So first, with cabinets, my suggestions: get estimates, get as many estimates as you can, sketch out what you want. So you, before you even go and get estimates, you need to know, and this is for your benefit, because once you get the amount of cabinets you want, getting estimates is going to be a breeze, because you'll already have all of that information. My husband did that for us because he's so good at math, and he's really good at measurements. I'm not. If it ain't fabric, I don't know. He did all of that for us, and actually I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I think it's something printed out. Hold please. He got a design guide from one of the cabinet companies. You were able to print it out, and he just used it across the board. See? So he made a few of these. I think he made probably like 3 or 4, because we were changing, and then you know you're considering your appliances, where they're gonna go, and how everything's gonna fit. Unless you pay somebody to do it. I mean, you could pay somebody to do it. That's not what happened here. So so this was our final, and this is like our back wall, the side, and then this is the island down here. After you do that, go and get samples. Go through some of the samples we got, because I want y'all to see the differences. We knew we wanted gray shaker cabinets, but we got 3 estimates. One was $5,600. One was like around $5,000. And then our final one, the one that we paid, the one that you guys saw us order, that one was some type of way. We got a 5% discount, but you know, you don't question stuff like that. You just go ahead and take it. Above $4,000, like $4,300, something like that. I don't know. Big tip, big tip. One company we were about to go with had fake reviews, and you can tell when they have fake reviews because it's just a bunch of stars. No experience is posted, like nothing, no commentary is posted. And that's not to say that those types of reviews are fake, but when it's a lot of those, and then the ones with the commentary are a little bit negative, then it's like, okay, I see what's going on. Re-reviews on Google, re-reviews on Yelp, because everybody does not review in the same spot, and that is going to help you determine who you will and won't work with. There was one company that I cannot recall the name of. They had a constant complaint, the same complaint throughout all of the reviews, and it was that they installed their countertops wrong, and that they used a ton of silicone to fix whatever wasn't cut correctly and wasn't installed correctly. So when you see stuff like that, and it's a ton of people saying the same thing, it's like, okay, so this is what y'all do. Like, this is an ongoing problem. If it's a mistake, oh, it happened 1 time, 2 times, but 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9, that's what y'all do. At this point, that's what y'all do. So read reviews, get estimates when it comes to your cabinets. Go into the store to make sure you like the color. Take like a sample piece of the cabinet, take it in different lighting, because the lighting changes the color of the cabinets and of countertops. Recap, build your plan, create a final plan, even if you have to do it a few times. Get your measurements in, figure out which cabinets you want, how many, and then get your estimates. After you get your estimates, read a ton of reviews, and that's going to help you make your decision with who you're going to go with. So that's for the cabinets. For the countertops, kind of the same thing. Get a ton of estimates, because like with this place, it was like $8,000 just for the counters. My husband was joking with me because I pick expensive stuff. The price is never on it, but I always like the most expensive thing. To me, that just means God want me to have a lot of money, because why am I attracted to all the expensive stuff? Try not to laugh loud because my baby sleep. But they had levels to their countertops in that place, and it started at level 1 and we went to level 8, and the countertop that I picked was a level 8. But he literally picked the same thing a couple weeks before I went there and picked, because he went there to get a sample, and he picked the exact same countertop as me. Yeah. Thomason, you would pick the most expensive one. And you would too, sir. And you would too. Oh, here go the countertop. So this place, this is another reason why you want your measurements for your cabinets, because when you get your measurements for your cabinets and you have that solidified, you can get estimates for your countertop. They give you estimates based on your stuff. So when they give you the estimates based on that, she gave us this sheet there. Sage got a hold of this, baby. It's a little raggedy, but she gave us estimates here. So we would have one long piece. This would be for the island, and this would be for one side of the oven, and this would be for the other side of the oven, because we want it kind of closed in, because the kitchen, the oven is exposed on one side, and I just don't like that because kids. The reason why I like this quote, and I do want to get one more, honestly, before we order from them, I want to get one more quote. Free sinks. I don't know if they do this all the time, but they do free sinks, and the sink that's free is actually the one that it's actually very similar to the one that I want, which means if we go with them, we'll get a free sink. We'll save $300. And then also the estimate price for what we picked, countertop estimates range. They can be high, they can be low. It depends on the material you pick. I wanted quartz. I do not want granite. Granite stains. It's not hard to take care of, but I don't want to do that much attention to detail. I just want to wipe it down and it be fine. I don't want to worry about what's staining it, what I can and can't do. At one point I had flowers on the counter, and I love flowers. I had flowers on the counter. A petal fell, it stained the granite. Like, then the soap that we used to keep on the countertop, it stained the granite. Like, what we got you for, baby? What we got you for? I do not like granite, long story short. So we knew we were getting quartz. We got a Calcutta Laza, that's what it's called. MSI Calcutta Laza. If you love that too, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. But I love that countertop. It is so pretty. And I think it would go perfect with our cabinetry. The $4,882 includes the free sink. It includes installation and coming out for final measurements. I like this option. I wanted to get this series started because we're doing a lot, and you're gonna see how much we're doing, because as you can see, the party has already started. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to the stores, and I'll try to pay more attention to the vlogging aspect of it. Until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all probably next Sunday. Maybe I could drop a new video every Sunday as far as like the kitchen renovations. And I'll try to keep y'all posted on everything as it happens. And this is not HGTV, this is real time. So it's not gonna be as speedy as I would like. It's gonna take time to do a lot of the things that we wanna do. So that is it. See you next Sunday. Bye, y'all.